Next is cropping. This feature helps you to select a portion of the image you want to retain. Okay, means using this feature you can select a portion of image that you want to retain. Clear? Now see practically. Suppose if you want to crop fruit, okay, only fruit. This is a crop tool. Click on this and select a portion that you want to retain on page. Okay, this portion selected. Right click on this and crop. See, now it display only this selected part. Okay, other portion removed. Clear? This is the concept of cropping. And one more thing, you can also change the style of text. Okay, from this. See, click on this. Upside also see text style change. Okay, same way you can choose any type of style from this. Okay, now this is the concept of cropping. Okay, and from here you can change styles of font, okay, or image, and you can take any style easily. Okay, now